Okay, so I'm going to attempt to go through the process of verifying grades for those of you that are a little confused about it. So from what I've read from the district literature, you're supposed to click on the side where it says grading and then click grades, not score sheet, but grades. And you'll see down here in the bottom right-hand corner, it says final grade status. First, you need to look down your list of students, make sure everybody has a grade and that you are okay with the grade that's going to appear on the report card. So look down those. And then you click down there where it says final grade status. And then you have to click on this little box right here. There's a little check box and you check it. And then you hit save. And that's all there is to it. So that one class should be verified, and I believe you have to go to all your classes and do that. Hope this helps. Bye.